Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change the text color of any section in Shopify. For example, let's say we would like to change the text color of this section. I'll be showing you how to do that. And you can also change the text color of the announcement bar if you want. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Shopify admin page. Once you're on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and right where you see online store, you're going to tap on that. After you have done that, you will be redirected to the themes page, and right beside the theme that you're using, I want you to tap on customize. Once you have tapped on customize, you will automatically be redirected to the editor page, as you can see right here. And from this section, as I said earlier, let's say I wanted to change the text color of this section right here. All I would need to do is simply tap on the section, or you can tap on any section that you would like to change. Once you have selected the section, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option again. And from here, you'll simply scroll down, and I want you to select Custom CSS. By the way, you can see right here, Scheme 1 color. If you were to tap on change, you can see right here that you can change the different schemes. As you can see, that would change the background color. And you can also tap on edit right here. And after you have tapped on edit, from there you could change the color, outline, or so on. But the thing about this is, meanwhile this does change the color, it changed the color of the text for all sections. For example, if I were to go back, let's say to scheme 1, then tap on edit right here. After I've tapped on edit, let's say I would like to change the text color. So let's say I tap right here to change the text color. You can see the different options, and let's say I wanted to change it to blue. After I've selected blue, you can see that the text color for all sections change. So to change the text color for only one specific section, all you will need to do once you have selected the section that you would like to change, you're going to tap on Custom CSS, then scroll down a bit and you're going to see this box. And all you'll need to do is simply copy and paste the code that I'm going to leave in the description section. You're going to copy this code. Then you're going to paste the code in this box right here. So let's paste the code real quick. So we're going to paste the code. After you have pasted the code, you can automatically see that the color has changed. Now, if you would like to change the color from red, all you'll need to do now, you're going to open up your browser and you're going to type in UI color. After you have done that, you're going to select the first option and it is going to carry you to this page. And from here, you can choose the different color that you would like to use. So let's say I were to tap on this option, and let's say I wanted to change it to emerald green. All you have to do is tap on it. Then you're going to copy the code automatically, as you can see right there. Then I could go back into customize, and right where you see color, all you will need to do is highlight that section. Then right click, tap on paste. And automatically you can see that the color of the heading has changed right there. And if you would like to change the color of the body, all you have to do again, you're going to go back into flat UI colors. Then from there, let's say I would like to change it to sunflower. I'm going to tap on sunflower and automatically again it will be copied. Then let's see, I'm going to copy it right here. Let's highlight it right here. After I've highlighted it, I'm going to tap on paste once more, and you're going to see that the color has now changed. And that's basically it.